Hey guys, so it's your girl Whitney here. I'll be doing some jerk chicken today using my Grace jerk line of products, right? So I'll be adding my Grace all-purpose seasoning, Grace jerk seasoning. I'll also be using some Grace browning to give that chicken that nice jerk color that we're all accustomed to. We also have here our Grace jerk seasoning. This one is actually the mild one. I'll be mixing it in with some of the hot seasoning to have that nice kick, because we as Jamaicans we love pepper. Our ketchup, we have Jamaican jerk and we have our Scotch bonnet ketchup. These are full of so much flavor, and I'm going to add some of their sweet and spicy sauce. So let's get cracking. I have here 4 leg quarters that has been washed. I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my jerk seasoning. I'm also going to go in with about 4 teaspoons of, okay, let's go 3 of the mild jerk seasoning, and I'm going to use 2 of the hot seasoning. I'm also going to add a little browning for that nice brown color. So about 1 tablespoon will do. I'm going in with some scallions, freshly chopped scallions. I have here some garlic powder. Nice garlic flavor, and I'm also going to add some onion powder. I have here some fresh thyme leaves, so I'm also going to add to my chicken. I want to get the leaves off the stem onto that chicken. We're now going to go in and give this chicken a nice rub. Get everything incorporated nicely. Already the color is amazing. There you have it. Our chicken is nicely seasoned. I'm going to set this in the fridge to marinate overnight, and then we're going to get it back to the grill. So I'm going to add my chicken to my grill now. Can you hear that sizzle? The chicken is, they look so good. So we're going to cover this for about 10 minutes and allow our chicken to soak, and then we're going to flip them. It's hot. Now going to check on our chicken. We have been turning these for like every 10 minutes. Let me get this off. Like every 10 minutes we've been turning these because we want that seasoning to soak into the chicken. These smell so good. Get some water. Get that fire down a little bit. These chicken are going to soak. This is the rest of my seasoning from the chicken with some water. Just adding here. Maintain the moisture into that chicken. So we're now going to turn these babies. Oh, them look. You're not answering me. Okay. I know, right? Can you hear that? Them look good and them smell good. Says the cameraman. And I agree with him. Look at those. Ooh. So here you have it, guys, our Grace jerk barbecue leg quarters. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and please do sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Whitney's _kitchen_. See you then.